Bill and his family are enjoying their new smart home air filter from acfilter.com. He bought just one filter and never has to replace it, ever. But what happens when the filter gets dirty? Easy. Every month or so, he just uses a garden hose to clean it. Since Bill registered his smart filter at filterwarranty.com, he receives a notification when it's time for cleaning. Bill removes the air filter and takes it outside for a wash. Spraying in the opposite direction of the arrow on the label removes the dirt and particles from the filter. He then turns the filter around and washes in the opposite direction. AirCare's CEF spray helps remove any stubborn stains and dirt. Then he rinses once more. Bill then applies AirCare's Ultra Odor Kill for a fresh, clean scent around the home. Bill then lets the filter dry and then reinstalls it. And once again, the family enjoys fresh, clean air thanks to their AirCare Permanent Smart Filter.